Hello guys, today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to fix the bit of audio lag on your XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. To fix this audio lag, you need to at first open settings. Here open about tablet section, tap here detailed info and specs and tap OS version until you see you are now a developer. You maybe prompted to enter your passcode or pin code or pattern, whatever you have on your device. So after that, scroll all the way down here, open additional settings, and here tap developer options. Scroll down here till you see networking and Bluetooth settings. We are here. As you can see, here we have Bluetooth audio codec. Tap it, and even though the system preference is mostly correct, select AAC. For tests, if it works with only AAC, stay on it. You probably won't see any difference between the AAC and SB and LDAC or something higher. I know that there are many differences, but if you hear the difference, I'm sorry, but if the codec is wrong and something is misleading here, you need to switch it to the AAC. So apart from that, here exit the settings, go to the control panel, and as you can see, if you have maximum volume level, the volume boost may be enabled even though if you don't want to enable it. So just lower your volume level a little bit. If it did help you, that's nice. But if it didn't, go back to the settings, and now here Bluetooth. Here switch the Bluetooth back from the on to the off, and from the off to the on. Then repair with your device, unpair it and pair it back again, and everything should be fine. If it isn't, you need to contact the device support. Goodbye.